How to fix all ChatGPT subscription payment failed errors. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open your device and click on the search bar at the bottom left and search date and time settings. It will lead you to this page. Make sure your date and time is correct as for your region. After you've done that, click on the search bar again and search VPN settings and click on VPN settings. And if you have VPN turned on, make sure all the VPN are turned off. After you've done that, simply go back and try opening ChatGPT and your problem will be fixed. If it still does not work, and you're in the website, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen of any website you're in. After you click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, scroll down and click on Settings in here. After you click on Settings in here, on the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and click on Third-party cookies. And in the search bar at the top right of the cookies, search OpenAI, and if there is any cookies of OpenAI, delete it. After you've done that, if it still does not work, you can open a new tab and search Contact ChatGPT and click on How can I contact support. Here, you can simply contact ChatGPT directly and it will solve your issue. This is how to fix all ChatGPT subscription payment failed errors. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.